So I'm done washing my hair. I have washed it, deep conditioned my hair. Now I'm going to be blow drying my hair. So today I'm going to be using my Philips blow dryer. I am going to be doing the tension method. I just want to stretch my hair a little bit before I put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So let's get going. So I'm going to be using this heat protectant. I'm using this argan oil heat protectant. My hair is already in sections, so I'm just going to be working it section by section. I'm going to put everything up, then work it in section. Guys, let me show you this golden hair that I have. It grew all the way, like from my root. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see. This is how long it is, and it's golden all the way. I actually have pieces like this all over my hair, but this is just amazing. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me come closer. Let me put them together, maybe you guys will see. Can you see? It's golden. And all the way. It actually grew like this. This is really interesting. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. And I am officially done, guys. I am done blow drying my hair. Like I said, I did the tension method, and this is the end result. So now I'm just going to put myself. Now I'm going to put my hair in a protective hairstyle because the weather is not smiling. It's December, so we need to protect all our hard work for the year. So I'm going to put my hair in a protective hairstyle. I'm not really sure of what I want to do, although I got some clippings that I want to try, so be on the lookout for that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.